community. Roles of prophets or seers. They predicted the future. They foretold invasions, wars, drought, and epidemics. They blessed and cursed. They performed ritual duties. They played the role of political leaders. They communicated with spirits on behalf of the people. They sometimes acted as judges. They received messages from their ancestors and spirits. They predicted the will of God and the spirits. Occasions when seers were consulted: before going to war, when sickness and death are rampant, during marriage ceremonies, during planting and harvesting, after birth of a child, before initiation rites to seek concurrence with God and the ancestors, during cleansing rituals. Role of elders. They were in charge of families, villages, and clans. They were custodians of the community property. They protected the family and the ancestors' shrines. They were consulted in times of difficulties and calamities for leadership. They were custodians of the traditional values, customs, and people's history. They stipulated rules and regulations to be followed in all ceremonies. They assisted priests in preparing and performing rituals. They negotiated for peace in times of war with other communities. They set dates for various rituals and ceremonies. They played a leading role in important functions, for example, rite of passage. They counseled and guided the youth. They were spokesperson of their communities. Requirements that one needed to fulfill to be an elder: he must have undergone through initiation. He must have undergone initiation, must have married or had children, must be of good conduct, is elderly or of specialized age, is able to provide for his family or is wealthy, is wise or has wisdom, is able to keep secrets or is confidential, be of sound mind or healthy. He must be a bona fide member of the community. He must undergo rituals of being an elder. Relevance of the African religious specialists today. Medicine men are licensed to operate as herbalists. Circumcisers still operate in sheets according to the customs. Circumcisers still operate in sheets according to the customs. Midwives still nurse pregnant women in some communities today. Diviners operate as fortune tellers today. Prophets and seers help in knowing future occurrences. Rainmakers still give solutions during drought and famine. African priests still offer prayers in national functions. Elders act as arbitrators of their communities to solve disputes. I repeat, elders act as arbitrators for their communities to solve disputes. Prophets or seers help the community to know about future occurrences. Factors that have affected the role of specialists today: introduction of hospitals or modern medicine, introduction of other religions, emergence of new religious leaders, modern science and technology inventions, modern science and technology or inventions, modern science and technological inventions, mass media influence, introduction of money economy, urbanization or rural-urban migration, introduction of modern education or formal education, intermarriages, introduction of modern judicial systems, introduction of the money economy. Effects of Western culture on traditional African societies. The introduction of formal education led to a decline in traditional values. The role of elders has been taken over by government administrations. People prefer modern medicine over traditional herbs. Urbanization or rural-urban migration has led to the breakdown in African social units. Christianity and other foreign religions replaced traditional African religion. Traditional African songs and dances have been replaced by Western music. Western modes of dressing and designs have replaced traditional attires. The role of rainmakers has been taken by meteorologists. Intermarriages have watered down traditional rites. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.